KSEPANA Mudra. The gesture of pouring out and letting go. When seated, point the index fingers to the ground. When lying down, point them in the direction of your feet. Completely relax both hands. Hold this mudra for just 7 to 15 breaths and concentrate on your exhalation. Sigh deeply 3 times while you do this. Then place your hands on your thighs with palms turned upward. The KSEPANA Mudra stimulates elimination through the large intestines, skin, respiration and lungs, improves exhalation as well as removing expended energies. It should not be held for too long, because fresh energy is also caused to flow out after several breaths. In addition, it promotes the release of all types of tension. When we find ourselves in the midst of many people, we also absorb much of their negative energy, particularly if our own energy level is too low. This mudra encourages expended or negative energy to flow away, followed by the absorption of fresh and positive energy. Visualize the following picture. You sit on an elevated stone in a stream, or next to it, and hold this mudra. While you exhale, so much sweat pours from every pore that a rivulet flows out of you into the stream. In conclusion, wash yourself in the cooling water of the stream. Then place your hands on your thighs. Turn to the warming sun and let it dry you. Open yourself once again for the fresh energy that fills you anew when you inhale. Affirmation. Spent energy in my body, mind and soul flows away from me, and I thankfully accept all things that refresh me.